Abhinandan, Aabhar, Namaskar, and Adab, Sat Sri Akal, hello, and a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to the absolutely wonderful, beautiful, auspicious day that brings us together so many special people like you. I am Mrs. Rachna Chakravarti, the principal of Junior College, Saraswati International School. Have the pleasure of hosting the show tonight. And I promise you that by the end of the day, you will be really thinking that the sweat which you had shedded out, it will be really the founding managing trustees of VIS. So please applaud them with a big round of applause because we're starting a pleasant evening with a wonderful lamp lightning with none other than our founder chairman Manjula Basak, who Hansi, please be here for the Saraswati Vandana.
Is celebrating 25 years. So let's start this event with Saraswati Vandana. Thank you.
भूतवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभुदिवि देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापः सा मे वसतु जिह्वाय बीना पुस्तकधारिणी मुरारिवल्लभा देवी सर्वसुखदा सरस्वती सरस्वती महाभागे बीते कमललोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षि विद्यादेहि नमोस्तुते.
Lamp of learning and also मैं ये भी चाहूँगी कि हमारे founder chairman, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to come and celebrate the 25 glorious years of Vidyasagar International School and Junior College. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us Ganesh Vandana. A view, please, can we have you? मैं चाहूँगी सारे पेरेंट्स से कि वो हमारे साथ कोऑपरेट करें and thank you so much for cooperating with us and giving us the pleasure to make you happy once again because together we grow and together we rock. So your patience is important and we value your patience and we promise you that you will be surprised with some valuable performances done by our students tonight. So your weekend is not going to be a waste. So let us start with the lovely Ganesh Vandana presentation by the lovely kids. From 9th and 10th standard, we also have the 8th standard kids joining in for the Ganesh Vandana. So till the time the curtain raises, I would love to mention the names of the participants. Nidhi Vagila, 9th standard, Rumpa Mandal, 10th standard, Bhumika Solanki, 10th standard, Grisha Purohit, 9th standard, Jyoti Kumawat, 10th standard, Arushi Dhanak, 8th standard, Vaibhavi Gupta, 8th standard, Palak Chawda, 8th standard, Shama Sharma, 9th standard, Nandini Gisli, 8th standard, Tanushri Bhattacharya, 10th standard, Muskan Chanda,
सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची गंधी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव.
और वो आगे भी आपको इस तरह से शानदार परफॉर्मेंस दिखा सके. So that was wonderful, Ganesh Vandana. It was really wonderful. I hope parents you all have enjoyed along with all our guests for the evening. It was really, really wonderful. Thank you, children, and we will move ahead with our next performance. I don't want you all to keep waiting because we have lined up lovely performances. So I don't want you all to waste a single second. जैसे ही गजानना का हम लोग ने आवाहन किया है उसी तरह चलते हुए अभी हम चलते हैं Humpty Dumpty's Junior Kids की तरफ. So I would request Pranjal to come up and say something about the Junior KG kids. Pranjal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pranjal, come in the front.
After a beautiful dance of Ganesh Vandana, let us welcome the cute kids of Junior KG. Lord's best human creations are the lovely kids whose smile wakes our day. So now we have our junior kids with a lovely peppy number called Chak Dum Dum Chak Dum Dum. Please applaud for the young talent.
For the hook step of Chak Dum Dum.
Thank you.
All the parents to please keep on applauding them because they are just tiny little kids from Junior KG. Don't you think they need your applause and your applaud? So आप उनको encourage करते रहिए. And we waited patiently for Chak Dum Dum. हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे किस तरह से इतने बड़े स्टेज में जहाँ पर हम दिग्गज भी डर जाते हैं वो किस तरह से परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे. तो आपकी खुशी और हंसी के फुवारे ही उनको encourage कर सकते हैं. So kindly parents keep on smiling and don't see any flaws in them, just admire them, and you will feel that they are really, really the angels of God just descended down from heaven. So the Chak Dhum Dhum number is ready. A decade with us. Thank you so much, parents, for supporting us, and I would request that you spread the word of VIS with your mouth and keep on telling that the Institute has done a lot for the upliftment of education and even beyond education. And we right now have a junior college section also, so that's an added quality. This I'm not saying just because I'm the principal of the junior college section, but I just want to say to all the parents that isn't it a lovely thing that your kids are studying in the same school in 11th and 12th, also where we have the science section, commerce and the arts section also. So don't discourage them, let them be in the same school continuously till 12th standard. So that's an added thing which we have inherited because of our vision of our founder chairman Manjula Basak, and she had very nicely nurtured it that the children don't go out of the institute, they are in the same institute. Yes, so I think the wait is over. The kids are super excited to perform in front of you. That's okay, we can keep on waiting for them a little bit because the excitement which is going to come up, that is maximum. So for that we can hold our breaths. Just keep tightly holding your breath, and I would request everyone with the blasting and thunderous round of applause as soon as the curtain opens. So with a count of 1, 2, 3, you need to clap for them so that they can start with a happy smile, seeing their parents around in the audience. So once they come in, we will be applauding for them.
लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छलक छलक छम छम। है बरसात, पीछे है तूफान, मौसम मेरी माँ, कहाँ चले हम। कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है
I call this छोटा बच्चा चाराना नाताना. Seriously, this children too good. इन्होंने भी 2 महीने से मेहनत की है. आपने देखा ना? मुझे क्लैपिंग चलते रहना चाहिए. Please do not stop clapping. We always expect that these small kids need a lot of time and patience, and the teachers behind them who have been dedicatedly giving their time, energy, and the kids who also did it so nicely. It was wonderful to see them performing. So it is really a wonderful moment for all of us right now. So before we move to the next performance, again we have a host of lovely young kids, but I would like to call our founder chairman Manjula Basad to come and tell us a little bit about the journey which she had seen throughout this 25 years. It was filled with lots of ups and downs, but many people had supported, and their जो कारवां चलती गई वो एक जन की वजह से नहीं. It is a dedicated work of so many people behind building up an institute which goes on for 25 long years and even more because of the pandemic. We are celebrating it right now. So 1997, throughout the years, coming up till this day and celebrating it, it's really a wonderful moment. I would request Founder Chairman Manjula Basad to come and share her experience and give the annual report about the Vidyasagar International School and Junior College section. So please give a big round of applause for the Founder Chairman Manjula Basad. More clap. कहाँ है तालियां? नाश्ता करके नहीं आए थे सब. स्कूल की संकल्प ली है एजुकेशन मिशन स्प्रेड करने के लिए, तो आपकी तालियां इतनी ही कम, इतनी कंजूसी, तालियों की भी इतनी कंजूसी. Please give a big round of applause for Manjula Basad. Here the students. This is my experience of just 1 month in my journey. Though you all might be having more good experiences with, Vidyasagar and Manjula ma'am, our founder chairman. So she's telling that I want all the lovely kids to finish with the performance and then she'll come up to share her experience. Isn't that wonderful? So that's also a very nice thing. So yeah, I want claps. अभी खाना भी नहीं खिलाओ क्या? तालियों के लिए खाना खा जाए, पानी पी लीजिए, लेकिन तालियां बजाते रहिए.
The super energetic song Current Laga. So get ready all of you to get some song and they will be spreading the current around us. Please encourage them with the Lord Anthem. Thank you.
Claps, so you're hooting and the claps together, it must keep on going simultaneously. This will show that you are the energetic parents of the super energetic kids. So please keep on clapping and show that the parents are also excited like the kids. Thank you so much, parents. We have the senior KG right now with the Current Laga. So are you ready for some shock? So don't keep on jumping from your chair, but still enjoy the shock. We have the shocks. शॉक लगते तो हम चेयर कुर्सियों से जंप लगाते हैं. तो यहाँ पर मैं सबको बोलूँगी कि कुर्सियों की पेटी बांध लीजिए और जकड़ कर बैठ जाइए अपनी जगह पे. And enjoy the senior KG kids with the song Current Laga. So the curtains can be up and you can get some current.
रात का है अपना मजा, आया नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे, रंग लगा रे, नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे, उनका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे, नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे।
Technical issues are always there, but yes, that was current laga. Yes, right. Then sit down. Parents, can we have them again from the beginning? Yes, parents को भी देखना है आगे से. बैठ जाइए आप लोग सब लोग. शुरू से हम लोग वापस से करेंगे. ठीक है? Yes. मस्ती में तू झूम जा, इस रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा, बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा, लुंगी पकड़ के जरा घूम जा, ये डांस तेरा देख देख जाके लगे तेज तेज सबका रंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे, रंग लगा रे, नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे, उनका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे, नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। Thank you, lovely kids. नहीं, अब क्या करते थे? हम चट्टी में ऐसी मैदानों में घूमते रहते थे, मिट्टियों के साथ खेलते रहते थे, और इन बच्चों को देखिए क्या करंट लगाया है, क्या शॉक दिया है इन बच्चों ने। तो आज के ज़माने के बच्चे हैं ये. So please parents, encourage them with your big round of applause. Next we have one more youngest kids of our VIS International Humpty Dumpty Little Worlds. We have the nursery kids and the pre-KG kids. That was really amazing. Again, hold your breaths. सांस ले लीजिए अंदर.
Let us clap for the youngest performers of our school, the nursery and playgroup kids, who will make you to go on a ride on bus. They will go to dance on wheels on the bus, go round and thank you.
Wow! कितनी वो देखो कितनी आवाजें आ रही है. Kids are so excited to perform in front of you. आपकी हंसी नहीं, आपकी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट चाहिए.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go
Where,
the babies on the bus go all through the town. The mommies on the bus go the mommies on the bus go all through the town.
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, I love you, I love you,
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, all through the town.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
This training them for the last 2 months to bring them up on the big stage. Please keep on clapping for them. तालियों की कंजूसी मत कीजिए इन नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के लिए जो आपके लिए इतनी शानदार शाम बना रहे हैं, आज की शाम मेमोरेबल शाम। तो प्लीज जरा सा भी कंजूसी मत कीजिए इनके लिए। Now I would request, I hope our founder chairman is now happy because the youngest of the troops have already performed. So moving with the second half of our program, I would now request our founder chairman to just cast a glimpse about the past and throughout this 25 years, just a small recap because we cannot say about 25 years in just few minutes. It is the sweat, the patience, the hard work of so many people coming in together, which cannot be summed up in just 2 minutes. But yes, I would request Manjula ma'am to say a few words regarding her journey through this 25 years and in making up the Vidyasagar International School and Junior College along with Humpty Dumpty's Little World. How did it go ahead? So over to you, Manjula.
Good evening, dear parents, dear students and guests. Actually, I am so used to without mic. The mic makes me little nervous. Anyways, a small insight into the long journey of 25 years of the school. I had a dream of having a school which became a reality due to the support of my parents and my husband and collaborative effort of several good Samaritans. I would like to thank every one of them today who stood by me during the ups and downs of this journey. Humpty Dumpty Little's World was started in 1997 with just 4 kids. The first playgroup in Mira Bhainder, it gradually became a full-fledged school and college. I'm glad to announce that we have started with a fully functional science lab and computer lab. I would also like to take pride to share that ours is an all-inclusive school. Until date, 8 differently able students cleared their boards. And today I am able to celebrate 25 years because I have a dedicated team of mentors who gave them their time in the development of the institution. Please forgive me if I have forgotten some names. But I like to thank each and every one of them who was with me in my journey. Thank you. Thank you very much for all of you to come and support this program. I am actually missing my dad today. It was his vision actually, which I am trying to fulfill. I am really missing him because every function that I organized, he was the first one to reach the venue to check out everything was in order. And yes, I am sure he is above and blessing us all. Thank you very much.
Of the memory, which the journey had started with the vision and was formulated and founded by Manjula Basak, but there were many people who came in, कारवां चलती गए और हमारे सपने बुनते गए और आज हम इस मौके पर सेलिब्रेट कर रहे 25 years 25 साल के इस स्कूल की शिखर में जाने की. So with that we come to another performance. I would like to show a small presentation of the journey of the school throughout the 25 years. But yeah, it will take some time for the technical team. But before that, I would request Spandan for the next performance to come and announce. Spandan, can we have you here?
This was really culture. Thanks.
about the Bhangra dance of energy, the dance of happiness, the dance where your feet go tapping and you can never put your feet down. Even if you don't know dance, we can dance with the Bhangra beats, the drum, the beats. It always makes your heart throb because it's during the harvesting season where we have the Punjabis singing and dancing to the Bhangra tune. Happiness is spreaded everywhere. Similarly, today we have the flow of happiness in Vidyasagar International School and Junior College along with the Humpty Dumpty Little World. So with that we have the Bhangra kids from 5th, 6th and 7th standard. Shaurya, Yashwarda, Mayuresh, Varad, Harsh, Shan, Daksh and Pranay will be giving you the lovely Bhangra. Parents, please search your kids in the group if you can find out because they're looking very dashing today. So if you can, so I'm reading out the names. So just find out where your kids are lined up tonight and they will be performing on the Bhangra tune. That is the famous Bhangra song. क्या आप लोग चुपचाप बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं सब लोग या मोबाइल देख रहे हैं? सब मोबाइल में बिजी रहेंगे तो बच्चों को कौन देखेगा? ये बच्चे जो दिन रात मेहनत करके आपके लिए ये वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंस लेके आए और जिनके पीछे सारे टीचर्स की मेहनत, बच्चों की मेहनत, कोरियोग्राफर की मेहनत सब जुड़े हुए हैं। आपसे तो सिर्फ एक तालियां ही मांगी है हमने। कहाँ बोला है कि खून के कतरे दे दीजिए, जबकि हमारे बच्चों ने पसीने के साथ इस डांस परफॉर्मेंस के लिए तैयारी की है जी तोड़। तो आप सिर्फ एक तालियों से उनका एनकरेज कीजिए। Thank you so much, parents. It's really wonderful to have you all. I want to see more lively audience, even in the gallery too. If I could get some more claps. You know, claps makes always the performers very happy. Claps are the one which keeps on encouraging. वो ही हमें मौका देती है कि हम एक अलग ही मौजूदगी में चले जाए, एक अलग ही दुनिया में चले जाए। आज संडे है तो हमें मालूम है कि आप बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स प्लान कर चुके थे, लेकिन हम इधर विद्यासागर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एंड जूनियर कॉलेज में भी आपको वही एंटरटेनमेंट देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उससे भी कहीं गुना ज़्यादा। So we are coming up for the Bhangra. Can we have the curtains be removed and let the parents enjoy the Bhangra dance? are little hungry. Yes? भूख लगी कि नहीं? लगी है कि नहीं? और जोर से? हाँ, तो थोड़ा नाश्ता हो जाए. Just 15 minutes. Small. Please be seated in your chairs. Don't. All of you can enjoy a short glimpse of our 25 years here. I'll be playing the video. Just a small little glimpse. Of course, I told you, हम 25 सालों की मेहनत एक छोटे से मूवी में नहीं दिखा सकते हैं. उसमें बहुत सारे लोगों की मेहनत छुपी हुई रहती है जो हम इन 1-2 मिनट में समेट के नहीं बता सकते. बट कोशिश की है कि हम उन्हीं लोगों को ज़्यादा फोकस कर सकें जिनकी वजह से आज हम ये मौका सेलिब्रेट कर पा रहे 25 सालों की. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल द पेरेंट्स हु हैव बीन सपोर्टिंग अस and all the other dignitaries, managing trustees, celebrities, and my lovely kids who have been the part of our journey. But yes, please, I would request, be seated, don't move, be seated. Small little snacks from our side on the 25th anniversary celebration. We have the school's 25 years. So we have a small glimpse. If the screen is ready, can we have the curtains removed? Parents, please raise your hands and be seated. We want to give your small kids to you. Please raise your hands. Don't come out from there. Teachers will be escorting the small little kids performers. But just we want your hands to be raised up. Junior KG parents, only junior, don't stand, okay. They will be able to see you. Junior KG parents, just be seated and raise your hands. The teachers will escort your kids to their place. Can we have the screen, please? Yeah, please remove the curtain so that the parents can have a glimpse of the 25 long years of the journey. In a nutshell, and of course we would like to thank us.
My name is Haimanti Das. I am here to represent my company, which is.
क्यों बज रहा है? लगाया
तुझे नहीं पता ये
नहीं।
गाना क्यों लगा है?
नहीं.
यह गाना इस साल का सबसे लोकप्रिय संगीत है और इस गाने पर क्रियान्वित करने आ रहे हैं हमारे नन्हे साथी अपने गाड़ी पर सवार होकर.
तो मैंने एक मोटरसाइकिल दिला दो ना.
कुछ छोड़ बंगला ना मोटरसाइकिल
दिला दीजिए ना.
मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली, उस मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली, जब अमला पागल हो गया उसकी जुल्फों की छाँव में, मैं बिस्तर डाल के सो गया। जब जागा ये भागा सब फाटक सब सिग्नल, मैं तोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया, मोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ शर्मा के वो यूं सिमट गई, शर्मा के वो यूं सिमट गई, जैसे वो नींद से जाग गई। मैंने कहा दिल सुन तो कुड़िए, उधर के पीछे भाग गई। वो समझी घर बस के छुरी से चुपके से कोई चोर आया, दिल छोड़ आया, मोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया, मोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया, मोड़ आया, मैं दिल छोड़ आया।
वही तो गड्डी है हमारी इंजन। सो बड़े से क्लैप हमारे इंजन के लिए। देखिए इंजन आपको वेव कर रहे हैं, तो इंजन प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर द इंजन ऑफ द कार। यस, बनता है इन छोटे मोटे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के लिए बनता है। अब आपकी स्कूल की लाइफ सोचिए और इन बच्चों की। यस, आई वॉन्ट द हूटिंग्स अराउंड।
काले कौवे से डरियो, आपने तो ये गाना सुना ही होगा।
हाँ, यह गाना तो बहुत पहले निकला था। यदि अभी यह गाना होता तो कैसा होता?
झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, सच बोले बीवी काटे, तो काले कौवे से ना डरियो बल्कि बीवी से डरियो।
Rocking performance by the second standard kids. Can we remove the curtains and let the
तुम देखते रहियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी, तुम देखते रहियो। अरे झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काले कौवे से डरियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी, तुम देखते रहियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी, तुम देखते रहियो।
तू मैं के चली जाएगी, मैं डंडा लेकर आऊंगा, मैं डंडा लेकर आऊंगा।
तू डंडा लेकर आएगा, मैं कुएं में गिर जाऊंगी, मैं कुएं में गिर जाऊंगी।
मैं रस्सी से खिंचवाऊंगा,
मैं पेड़ पे चढ़ जाऊंगी,
मैं आरी से कटवाऊंगा।
यार करे यारी चलवाए, ऐसे आशिक से डरियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी, तुम देखते रहियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी, तुम देखते रहियो। अरे झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काले कौवे से डरियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी, तुम
तू मैं के चली जाएगी, मैं दूजा ब्याह रचाऊंगा, मैं दूजा ब्याह रचाऊंगा।
तू दूजा ब्याह रचाएगा, हाय मेरी सौतन लाएगा। मैं मायके नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं मायके नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं मायके नहीं जाऊंगी, रे मायके नहीं जाऊंगी। अरे तेरे सदके जाऊंगी, रे मायके नहीं जाऊंगी। मैं सातों वचन निभाऊंगी, अरे मायके नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं मायके नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं मायके नहीं जाऊंगी।
झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काले कौवे से डरियो, मैं तेरी सौतन लाऊंगा, तुम देखते रहियो। मैं तेरी सौतन लाऊंगा, तुम देखते रहियो।
झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काले कौवे से डरियो, मैं मायके नहीं जाऊंगी, तुम देखते रहियो। मैं मायके नहीं जाऊंगी, तुम देखते रहियो।
Of course, the director of Vidyasagar International School and Junior College and Humpty Dumpty's Little World, founder, नाप लेते हैं बुलंदियां आसमानों की, वो खुद ही नाप लेती है पंछियों को, नहीं पालन दी जाती है उड़ानों की। फूलों को भला महकना महकाना किसने सिखलाया है, गुलशन को अनजाने में ही सौगात दी, कम करने और कुछ फूल बिखराने की पहल की है। आप है माननीय जनाब श्री नरेंद्र मेहता जी। So welcome Narendra ji, thank you so much, and honoring and gracing the 25th Silver Jubilee of Vidyasagar International. We are really honored and proud to have you amidst us. Now I take the pleasure to introduce our celebrity guest. I can see Rohit Bakshi is the heartthrob of every youngsters here, whether they are the females or ladies and gentlemen. So Rohit Bakshi is a well-known name in Indian television actor. He played the role, actually I would say Guzarish hai, Kaliyon ki Gargarahat. So we are happy to share with you, and we already had started the program, and we will continue with it. We have right now the Western number. Avyut, are you there behind? Avyut, I would request you to come up. Because our guests are having very limited time with them, and their time we want to capture maximum whatever we can from the guests tonight. And don't worry, we will have photograph sessions also with our amazing celebrity guests, and a guest of honor, Narendra Mehta ji, will have a great photograph session too. So parents, don't be super excited. Lovely kids, Mansi and Shivam, once again to tell our audience.
Shivam, I study in Standard Step from Vidyasagar International School.
And I am Mansi.
क्या तुम्हें होली पसंद है?
हाँ, मुझे होली बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन ये तो मुझे अभी भी पूछ रहे हो?
क्योंकि हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति होली है।
चलो, इस गाने का हम सब साथ में आनंद लेते हैं। लाल गुलाबी रंग है, झूम रहा संसार,
सूरज की किरणें और खुशियों का बहार,
चांद की चांदनी, अपनों का प्यार, आओ मिलकर मनाएं होली का त्योहार।
चलो इस रंग में हम आप लोगों को भी रंग लें।
खेली हरी पिचकारी मारी भोली परी हरी भोली
अरे जा रे हटे लट लट ना छूट मेरा
मीठी लगे है तेरी गाली रे। पे धुनक धुनक ताल, झांझ बजे अंग बजे संग में मृदंग बजे अंग में उमंग खुशियाली रे। आज मीठी लगे है तेरी गाली रे।
Thank you so much, kids from 5th standard, 6th and 7th standard for the love.
Stand before you today with a sense of gratitude and pride as part of this incredible school. Under the visionary leadership of our director, Mr. Sudeep Basak, and founder chairman, Mrs. Manjula Basak, our school has flourished academically. In academics and extracurricular activities stands testament to the excellence. Moreover, she has played a crucial role in shaping a attitude of excellence and for instilling in us the belief that education goes beyond textbooks. It's about nurturing minds and hearts. और अब जब
of the kids. I could do nothing like that if I would be asked to perform on the stage.
खूप सुंदर नृत्य सादर केलं. प्रणय, तुला माहिती आहे का गावात शिमग्याला पालखी निघते?
अगं हो का दिव्यांका, म्हणूनच भीमतड्याच्या तटानदी पाणी पाजणारा हा आपला महाराष्ट्र आहे ना. याच महाराष्ट्रातील कोकण या गावात होळी अर्थातच शिमगा हा सण खूप धूमधडाक्याने साजरा करतात.
होय, महाराष्ट्रात हा सण साजरा करण्याची पद्धत जरा हटकेच आहे. आणि तुला माहिती आहे, होळीच्या वेळी कोकणात ग्रामदेवताची पालखी काढण्यात येते आणि कोकण पट्ट्याचा प्रसिद्ध असलेला हा पालखी उत्सव म्हणजेच पालखी उत्सव पाहण्यासाठी देशभरातून लोक सुद्धा येतात. गावातून ढोल ताशांच्या गजरात ग्रामदेवताची पालखी काढण्यात येते.
हो का, म्हणूनच वर्षानुवर्षी ठरवलेल्या दिवसानुसार देव पाहुणचाराला जातो.
हो, गावातील प्रत्येक घरात पालखी नेण्याचा सोहळा पार पडल्यावर हा उत्सव पालखी नाचून गावात संपवतात आणि याच सोहळ्याचा प्रत्यक्ष अनुभव घडवून आणण्यासाठी आमच्या शाळेतील विद्यार्थी तुमच्या समोर सादर करीत आहेत पालखी नृत्य. तर चला बघूया.
जत्रा भरवली हा या सर्वात सुखी ठेवून जत्रा आता पालखीचं सोहळं निर्विघ्नपणे पार पडा. सर्वात उत्तम आरोग्य सुख संपत्ती लाभू दे रे महाराजा.
100 kgs and you do not really know how they lift it. It's all by the blessings of God. They deserve a big round of hooting as well as a big clap. So thank you so much. कदम पड़ने से ही बिल्कुल चमक उठा है। जो तारे आसमान में थे आज अचानक ज़मीन पर कैसे पहुंच गए? सारे तारे नीचे कैसे पहुंच गए? So thank you for coming up and giving your valuable time. Rohit Bakshi ji and Mananiya Shri Narendra Mehta ji for coming up and spending some time with us. I would request Honey sir to first felicitate Narendra Mehta ji. Honey sir. मैं नरेंद्र मेहता जी के बारे में तो कहने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, जो एक छोटी सी शाम कम पड़ जाएंगे।
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सभी लोगों से। और मुझे लगता है सब बहुत देर बैठ गए, एक बार खड़े होके सर के लिए स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन भी बहुत जरूरी है। चलो एक बार एक्सरसाइज भी। नरेंद्र मेहता सर ने हमारे भाईंदर में बहुत ही अच्छे कार्यक्रम किए हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें। स्कूल तालियां सब लोग, बच्चे लोग भी बजाएंगे। कम ऑन एवरीवन, गिव हिम अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज, मेक सम नॉइज स्टूडेंट्स। और अपने सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट के लिए तालियां मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए रोहित बख्शी सर के लिए भी। एज अ पेरेंट्स, एज अ टीचर्स, एज अ सभी लोग हम इनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हैं कि लाइफ में ये सक्सेसफुल होए, हमें भी ऐसे ही सक्सेसफुल करते हैं। मेहता सर
for that lovely encouraging. Now I would request our director Sudeep Basak sir and our founder chairman Manjula Basak to come up and felicitate Narendra Mehta ji. ये तालियों में कुछ मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन दोनों हाथों से तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट होना बहुत जरूरी है। Please give a big. So we will call once again Narendra Mehta ji to felicitate all of you. To please come up on the podium, and I would request our founder chairman to felicitate him, Manjula Basak ma'am.